I have what I think is a big leaf hydrangea growing next to my driveway. Every year the plant gets big and looks very healthy, but I've only had 2 flowers on it in the 12 years that I've lived here. It was planted by the previous owner, so I have no idea how old it is. What can I do to make my hydrangea bloom? I don't cut it back because it gets new growth on last year's stems. I do cut back the old stems once I see they don't have new growth on them by early summer. Thank you for any suggestions. This is Ann from Bethlehem, New York. All right. So Miss Ann, hey Mary, a couple of things come to mind for me, right? So the first thing I'm thinking is winter injury, right? This is New York.
Right.
Okay. So of course, the cold weather can actually make those buds abort.
Right.
Okay. The second thing I always think about is too shady, right?
That's possible.
Okay. The third thing, low soil fertility, or it could be too much nitrogen fertilizer. So you're getting a lot of leafy growth, foliage, right? No blooms. The last thing is this, could pruning be an issue?
Right. Because she did mention she's not cutting back very much.
Right.
I think that perhaps if she did a little bit more pruning, she could get some more room and some blooms and get a soil test.
Get a soil test. So I would definitely get a soil test, you know, because we need to know about the fertility,
Right.
of course, but I'm with you on the pruning, right? Now the thing about the big leaf hydrangea, you know, it's the Hydrangea microphylla, is this. So it does bloom on old wood, so she does know that.
Right.
So that is real good, right? But you don't want to prune that too late in the summer because that's next year's flowers.
Right.
Right. But I like your suggestion as well.
Yeah.
Some pruning.
I think a little bit of pruning, it might give a little bit more space for her and get some more energy into producing blooms.
Right. So yeah, if you're gonna prune this though, I would prune it earlier in the summer instead of late in the summer. So usually most folks in this area say they wouldn't prune after August the 1st. So you don't wanna get too late in the summer.
Right.
Okay. Because again, that's next year's blooms.
Right.
All right. But yeah, get the soil tested. Let's check on that fertility. And yeah, so we don't have a picture. We don't know about the light conditions.
Right.
But yeah, if you do that, Miss Ann, we think that'll help you out there. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.